Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the CTUD function block or the bidirectional counter in Master2. First, let's create a new network, then go to the right side of the screen in Toolbox, select box with EN/ENO, then click and drag to our new network. And if you look here, there are 3 interrogation marks in bold. I'll replace it with CTUD and then call this function block CTUD_0. Okay, and as you can see, this function block has much more inputs than these two right here, and that is because this function block combines both functionalities of CTU and CTD in one unit. And the only difference between the other counters is that it enables you to both increment and decrement the counter value. And I'll show you this functionality in a bit, but first let's assign our variables. So for the enable input, I can just assign a true value, so it stays true forever. I'll create a new variable, so let's say count up. And for the countdown, count down. For the reset, let's use the same variable we have used here. Why not? Now for the load variable, I'm going to put 5. And for the preset value, I'm also gonna be putting 5. I'll leave these outputs here empty for now. And now let's test our function block. I'll press login. Yes. Okay, let's see why it has an error. Cannot convert type short int to type boolean. Let's see why. Yeah, makes sense. That is because the load input is a boolean, so let's replace it with one of our variables. Now it should be good to go. So as you can see, there are 2 boolean outputs here and also the counter value. And that is because when you reach the preset value, the QU will enable because it reaches the preset value. And when it reaches 0, the Q down will enable instead of the QU, which is the Q up. First, let's start our controller. And as you can see, the Q down already is turned on. And let's start counting up. There we go. QU is active. Now let's reset. And there you go. That's how you use the CTUD function block in Master2. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you on the next one.